Hi everybody, it's Diana, your Stampin' Up demonstrator. I never pop in on Sunday, but I thought I would because today is the last day to sign up for my November classes in the mail for the month. So a couple days ago, I showed you a sneak peek of the Christmas class, and I thought, you know what? Maybe I'll show you a sneak peek. Maybe I'll do this every month. I don't know. So I thought I would show you what the Pampered Pets one is going to be, since today is the last day that you can sign up for it. And hey, it's Thanksgiving month, right? So I'll be generous. And I just wanted to say hi to everybody. So let me flip the phone around and I'll show you, okay? All right, so hold on. All right, so let me turn the phone. Flip, flip, flip. All right, so this is, let me get into my group and make sure that I'm where I can see it. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the Pampered Pets stamp set. So you will get the stamp set, and ignore my fingernails. Today is my fingernail day, so my fingernails need to get my nail polish. All right, so it's the Pampered Pets stamp set, which is super, super cute, and it has a coordinating die. So that's what you're going to get. And if you already have the stamp set, or you're going to get it, on your own, then you just need to let me know when you sign up. So this is what you will be getting in the mail. So you will be getting, so let me show you the cards. So so what I did this month, I did it a little different, and this might be part of the change, and my phone keeps wanting to spring up. Is having more of a variety of the cards that you're gonna be able to do, because I do not have to put one master card anymore, because I'm going to be sending you a PDF with the supplies and a link to the video showing how the cards are put together. So now I can send you more of a variety, maybe like a 3D thing, more different. So this month you're going to do, it's basically the same card, but one of them I did as kitty cat and one I did as a dog. So you have a little bit of a variety. So here's the cute little cat one. So this is what the cat one looks like. And then on the inside, you've got the cute enjoy. I hope your day is a real treat, with the cute little mice on the inside. So for this card, you would get your 5 envelopes, your 5 card bases, your inside pieces. So I cut this a little longer because if you are going to, because everybody is their own artist in their own right, right? So this way it gives you, if you end up doing something different, turning the card the other way, that gives you a little longer DSP, so it can go either way. So that's why the DSP is a little longer. So here's your inside piece. Then you have a piece to stamp your cat on and die cut out, because remember, it has a die. So you'll need the die to finish your cards. The pieces will not be died out or cut out for you in advance. Now these pieces will be, because this is not part of the set. These are something that are a standalone die. So these pieces are inside your packet, and then you have your outside pieces. So these are what will go on here. And then of course, if you want to, turn your cardstock over and make them be different, you totally can. That's what is so great about the DSP. It's all two-sided. So you have your gray granite cardstock base, and then you have some of the black and white twine. And then for the kitty, you'll be using the little hearts, the little what are they called? They are called the Playful Pets Trinkets. So you can see that on the front of the card. So for the kitty, you'll use the hearts. All right, so let me show you the dog card. So those are the 5 kitty ones. And then here's the dog. So he is so cute too. I love, what kind of dog is he? I can't even remember what kind of dog he is, but he's super, super cute. So this is the dog one. So it's the same layout as the kitty. And then this one, I have, I put food in one and water in the other. And then let me show you the pieces for the dog. So it's basically the same. So you have your 5 envelopes. You have your inside pieces right here. Then you have your cardstock that you'll stamp the dog on, and then you'll die cut him out. Then again, like I mentioned for the kitty, these pieces are already die cut and they'll be in your kit. Then you have the outside pieces like before. And then this has writing on the back, so you could totally, you know, it would look cute this way too. If you turned it and then put this here, that would look adorable as well. So you can totally make them a little bit different if you want. And then you have your gray granite cardstock base like the kitty one, but this time for the dog you'll get 5 of the bones to go on your black and white trim, twine, whatever. So those are the cute cards for this month. So I just thought, you know what, it's Sunday, I'm having fun, I have the TV going, cutting paper. I thought I would just pop in and show you. So if you decide that you want to do the class, let me know. I need to know today so I can get everything ordered that I need. And if you decide to do the class, it's $74.50. So that includes the bundle. So when you do it that way, you actually save tax and shipping on the bundle than if you were to order it out of the catalog, because you would have tax and shipping on the bundle if you order it for yourself. So it's just a little way to save if you order it from me with the class. If you already have the stamp set or you're going to get it on your own, then it's just $35. So the cost always includes the priority postage, and it always includes the priority postage. It includes the PDF that shows the supplies used, and then you'll get that that link with the video that shows me making the card, so you can follow along. You can stop it and rewind it and watch it as many times as you want. So so hopefully those were fun. It's such a cute set. It is. It really is. So, especially if you like to make cards for people for Christmas, that would make an awesome little package to give to somebody. Cards already made for them. That would be super fun. All right. So I think that's all I had to share with you today, and I will see you Tuesday for my Teach Me Tuesdays here in the Facebook group. And I'm going to put this on YouTube, so I shouldn't say here. Because it might confuse the YouTube people, but in my Facebook group at 3 p.m. Arizona time. So I'm going to stop jabbering and have a great rest of the weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.